Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chalily, where we celebrate water in the garden. Today I wanted to share with you a spectacular plant that you should consider adding to your water feature. It's Blue Arrow Rush. This plant is spectacular because in the summertime we have this gorgeous blue foliage. Sometimes in the spring the foliage will start off a lime green color that we can see at the base here. But the standing out point is during the summer we get this blue color all summer long. This plant gets anywhere from 18 inches to 3 foot tall. You can put it in the water anywhere from 3 to 4 inches underneath the water. So we can have the water as shallow as here or all the way up to here over the top of the crown of that plant. It's a perennial all the way through zone 5, which just means we would leave it outside all winter long. Some people will cut it back in the autumn after we get a first frost. I like to leave it and have a little winter interest because this one will hold its color through most of the winter, depending on how severe it is. Once it does turn brown or when spring comes, maintenance is just cutting it off. This particular rush does form a clump and behaves, in my opinion. That means that clump slowly grows up to about 1 foot across. It's not a rush that sends out a bunch of runners and can take over the pond very quickly. So I like this one because it behaves. I like this rush because of that outstanding color in the summertime. And I like this rush because it's a hardy perennial. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.